Alright, hello everybody, my name is Niloy, and I'm going to be showing you how to program uh, a probability helper. Now, notice that this program is only for novices who don't know how to do probability problems or anything, like how to go to the probability function. Notice that I'm using a TID4. And also, yeah, uh, so it's for novices only. I mean, like, you can go here and then go to probability and PR and NCR. But most people don't know how it works and everything. So what I'm here to do is gonna give it a more simple and a bit more complex program making tutorial. So as always, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I always press program to start making a program. So go to program and go to new, okay, and press enter, and we're gonna call it a PRB help. Okay, and press enter. So now this is the part where everyone gets confused. Oh, what do I do here? So well, I thought I can make commands. What do? Do I type in just random commands and stuff like that? Will that work? Well, no. What you have to do, you have to press programs and here's a list of commands. People don't know how it works, but this is how to make a probability helper, not a tutorial on programs making on the calculator. So first thing we're going to learn is go to program and then press 9. Okay, we'll say label and press 1. Okay, so program 9 and then 1. Okay, this will signify that there's a label here. Okay, and we'll get into what that does later. Okay, so press program again. Press enter to go to a new line, and then press program 8. Oh wait, no, not program 8. Program IO 8. Okay, so press program, go to IO and 8. Okay, so now it will say clear home. This clears the screen on the calculator. Press enter. Now go to program, prompt, and IO, and then scroll down to 2, or you can just press 2. So yeah, prompt, alpha N, alpha R. Okay, these are going to be our variables for this program. Okay, so and I'll get to what that does in just a little moment. So press enter, and then now press program, and then go to IO, and then press 8 again. So it goes to clear home. Okay, and now basically clears the screen after you prompted these two things. Now prompt, you have to enter a number for N and enter a number for R, and you'll see how it works like in the execution. So go to program, and I'll press alpha and C. Okay, go to program and alpha and C. Okay, so menu, now this is going to bring out the menu command. This is for like a list of choices for programs. So for second alpha to alpha lock, and press plus, and we'll say which one, question mark for the negative. Okay, then close it with the quotation mark, comma. Okay, now say permutation. Okay, then close out, make it with quotation marks. Now press comma, and now we're gonna say 2, and you'll see what that does in a little short minute. So go to, now try combination. Okay, now comma and 3, and then close that out with the parentheses. Okay, so now that you got now this is the menu that states whether you want permutation or combination when you prompt for N and R. Okay, and that's important because permutation and combination are different things. In permutation, order matters, and in combination, order does not matter. Press enter. So yeah, now what we've done so far is basically just prompt N and R and then say which one, permutation or combination. Now we want to make sure what's the 2 and 3 for. So go to press program and 9 and press 2. Okay. Now this is what happens if you press permutation. We're going to program what happens if you press permutation. Okay. So go to program, IO, and clear home. Okay. Now press program, IO, and then 3. Not instead of IO 2, it's IO 3. So display N, alpha N, math, go to math, and go to probability NPR. Okay, now, okay, so basically what values you put in for N, and MPR, what values you put in for R, that's what it does. So now press program and enter. Program and 8, so we can put up the pause, which waits for a key press, which is the enter key. Next thing we're going to do is now we're going to press program label 5, okay, and IO and 8. Okay, now this is what happens if you want to alpha C, program alpha C to bring up the menu. This is what happens if you want to do the programming, if you want to start the program again, or if you just want to go back after you finish this. So press again, so A-G-A-I-N with a question mark right here, and now take out the alpha and then press comma. And then if you want it to say, well, yes, I do want to start again, if you want to do like another probability problem. So 1. Now you see this 1, right? This 1 is where we put at the very top of the program. So we'll start the program all over again. Okay? And then second, no, which will be 99, which is usually the end, the highest label that you can usually give. So now that we've done that, press program. Program and then 9 for another label. Now, this is what happens if we, now let's program what we want for combinations. Now this is almost identical to permutations, except this time we're going to use NCR. So program IO3, N, and then math. Oh no, what did I do? Okay, N, and then go to probability, and CR, and R. And N values and R values. That's going to find a combination. So, next thing, now we're going to pause so the person can see the answer. Now go to clear home. You know how to probably do that. And now press program and go to 5. Okay? And this will signify that it goes to the 5, or label 5, which is to show if he wants to do it again or no. So, press enter. And now we're going to finish it off with label 99. Okay? So press program 9 for the label 99. Clear the screen with clear home. And second catalog, press D and go to delvar. Okay? Delvar N. Now this will delete the variable N so you don't have to keep it. Then go to second catalog, D again, go to delvar R. Okay? Now go to program alpha F. Oh wait, alpha F. And I'll say stop. Okay? Now this doesn't mean that you have to stop it once. You have to press program and then 7 just for the program to end the whole thing. So yeah, this is that's the end of the program. Fairly lengthy bit of code for just the novice programmer, but nothing too bad. So press second quit. Do not press clear, or else it'll clear a command line. You don't want that. So for second quit, you'll be back at the home screen. Now we have our new program. Press enter. Let's try this thing out. So enter, and now it's going to prompt for N. What do you want for N? I'm going to say, let's just say 14. Okay, I'm feeling 14. All right. Now R, let's just say 6. Okay. All right. Now which one? Permutation or combination? I'll also say permutation. Now there's the number of ways that you can do it when the order matters. Okay. So next way. Okay, let's press again. Yes, I'll do it again. So next way is 14 and then 6. Let's do it this time. Let's do combination. 3003 ways. Not bad. That's when the order does not matter. So press enter, and we don't want to do it all over again. We already showed our execution. We're done. So yeah, that's pretty much the program in its hands. Only for novice, if you don't really know how to do the NCR and NCR, MPR and NCR commands. But other than that, it's a great program to use. It's a bit more better than when I go to the bathroom commands, but because of the again and the prompting commands, it's a bit more easier to use. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next calculator programming videos, and I will see you all later. Thanks for watching.